Ready? Oh, that's like something I don't. Oh my god, I am so excited. Let's do it. Another 24-hour food challenge video because you guys love these and I love doing them. If you guys are getting sick of them, please let me know. Just sound off, you guys always do, but I'll see it quicker on Twitter because I don't really check YouTube comments as often or as frequently. I see way more on Twitter. Go hit me up on Twitter, tell me you're sick of them, or tell me to keep doing more, or if you want me to do ones with my dad or my mom or my I don't know, like let me know. But they're fun for me. They like literally open me up to different foods. I don't know, it's just fun. To me, I love food, you guys know. There's no secret here. There's no secrets. I'm an open potion. Abracadabra, bitch. And here's my beautiful granny. There's me and her recently. I just went to go visit her this summer. Off to see my grandparents. So nice. I got a face tattoo.
Oh my, on your beautiful body. Is it in a sack when you get to my age?
Probably.
Sing it first.
Royal wedding tea.
It should be good if it's royal, right? You can tell I haven't done this before. Oh yes, that looks good. Cheese and cheese. Oh lovely. Well, you look a lot like that Trump girl.
What?
I love you.
I'm so happy I got to see my grandparents, you guys. I'm so happy we came here. I love her so much. Yeah, so we're gonna eat like granny. And my hair is literally gray, so we love that. My golden girl era is here, so I thought this was perfectly fitting to do a granny eating day. Eat like a granny, because I'm granny. So I decided to message my grandmother because we have been, ooh, I don't say I say granny. So, and ask her what she typically eats in a day. Now I know that, like, you know, it's different every day. Nobody eats the same food. Well, some people do, but like typically people eat different foods every day, right? But I got her to give me what she typically eats for breakfast, lunch, supper, snacks, and she also gave me dessert. I don't know what it is. Okay, I have these little flashcards here. I am going to...
Is that a coupon?
I don't... Oh, it's part of the flashcard. I was like, what the hell? Index cards. Austin is going to help me out here. I don't want to look at them because I want to be surprised. I'm just going to write them all down and then he will write what is on each one. He'll open the email, write each one. I'm going to go get ready, come back, and we'll see what I'm having for breakfast. He's hard at work writing down the responses and I'm staying far away.
Your grandmother's very talkative.
And she told me that unfortunately she had to change her diet due to health reasons. I'm not going to get into it because it's her personal information and stuff, but she told me what she typically eats, like would eat like her whole life, like what she likes, like what she prefers, and then what she's been eating recently these past few years with her new diet restrictions. So I was like, oh, which one should I do, like my granny's favorite foods? But then again, I didn't ask her what her favorite foods were. So I'm doing what my eating like my granny for 24 hours. I'm just gonna eat what she's eating. It's cool because like today I'm eating, it's probably the same things that she's eating at the same time. You know, I think it's really cool. Our digestive systems are gonna be the same. We're gonna have the same shits. I did breakfast this morning as soon as I got ready, so I'm gonna show you those clips right here. Okay, besties, I'm getting ready to go to my nail appointment. So we have breakfast, I'm not looking at them, breakfast, lunch, supper, snacks, and dessert. I didn't know we were gonna have dessert, so that's exciting. Let's go with the breakfast one. Austin went out and got the breakfast items while I got ready, but I'll be getting everything else and shopping with you guys and cooking. He's already started it down there because I have an appointment. Poached egg, yum. Slice of wheaten bread with butter and 2 cups of black tea. Yum. Okay. Slice of wheaten bread with butter and 2 cups of black tea. Okay, yes. I'm over the moon about that. That's like very similar to what I would eat now. My granny is very British, so I don't know what wheaten bread is. Is it just wheat bread? We'll see what Austin got. Okay, let's go down there. Hello.
Hi, baby.
Okay, so you know how to make poached eggs, so that's good, right?
Yeah. So here's the thing.
Okay.
Wheaten bread is not that easy to find.
Okay.
Because wheaten bread is soda bread. So
oh.
I don't really know what that is. But I looked up and I found a close comparison.
Oh God, okay.
And so it's close.
Wheaten bread. What?
So you're getting Manchester malt home style loaf.
Okay, I'm gonna send that to my granny.
That's the best I could find.
Okay, perfect.
Black tea.
Yes.
As soon as I looked in the cupboard, I see black tea,
Yeah.
cream of Earl Grey.
Yes.
Is that what you like?
Yes.
Because I can make you one right now, and then we'll start on the poached egg.
Okay.
If you want, you can put the poached egg in, or you can crack the egg into the ramekin.
Ramekin.
Sorry, I've been reading a recipe, and then that's what they call it. So.
Thank you so much. This is gonna be awesome. So it's really just an egg and then toast, right?
Yeah.
2 slices of toast, did she say?
I think she said 1.
Oh, me trying to get more food. A poached egg, slice of wheaten bread with butter, and 2 cups of black tea. Okay, so I think I'll have a cup of black tea, the poached egg and that, and then on the way to the nail appointment, I'll have the other cup of tea. Perfect, let's make it. This is what we're using. David's tea.
I already heated this up, so your tea is ready to go in.
Yay! Black tea! Usually she has like milk and sugar in her tea. I'm surprised, but maybe like there's new dietary restrictions, so I understand. Yeah, we'll just let that soak. I'll get the bread with butter. Ooh, I'm excited. You got yourself a little Timmy. So this is Manchester malt homestyle loaf, and it looks like this. Looks really yummy.
Right now, I am just making the vortex.
He's good at making poached eggs, so I'm really glad about this one.
Oh God, now you put too much pressure on me.
And he put vinegar in it, so. Ooh, looks like it's working.
I hope to God it works.
It's
So 3 minutes.
Okay, that's enough time for me to butter my bread. Do you want me to assign somebody to butter your biscuit? Why is one of my eyes like open and closed? Anyways, a slice. Boom. Here's the bread. She's breading. I got some seeds on there and everything. It's very moist. I'm using margarine. Is this margarine? Yes, same thing. Like I know some people are like, no, it's not. And I spread with a butter, I spread with a spoon because it is literally, when I found that hack out on TikTok, it is so much easier. Like so much easier.
Oh wow, that looks good.
Yeah.
I might have a piece of that after you leave.
It looks really good with just some butter. This actually reminds me of my granny, like cup of tea with bread with butter. Ah!
So I think the egg actually came out pretty well.
Good job. Thank you for making it when I was getting ready.
Of course. Now, the roll shot.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, so here is my breakfast. A cup of black tea, my Balenciaga mug. I love that. And I can take it to go. Woohoo. I don't know if I'll get 2 cups in, honestly. I have to leave in like 5 minutes. But the food, I'm gonna gobble down. It's a little plain, I know, but just nobody make fun of my granny or I'm coming for you. Let's try the wheaten bread or the non-wheaten bread. It's so soft. I like the grains in it. This is so good. You don't remember, if you haven't had for a long time, just like a slice of bread with butter, how good it is. Especially fresh bread. Oh, I always say I hate like wheaty bread, but it really is good. Now for the egg. Let's see. Ooh, look at that runny yolk. Now some people would like slop that up with this. Hell no. I should have salted it and peppered it, but yeah, okay, let's do that. She didn't say, but I feel like she would. Perfect. Perfect egg, babe.
Good. Awesome. That's great.
Gotta show the Balenciaga. Ooh. It's chocolate piece of pepper. I'm getting my hair in it, my gray hair, my granny wig. Ooh, this is a good breakfast. I'm glad. What if she's like, I don't eat breakfast? I'd be like, I don't want to trigger anyone, but that's all I'm gonna eat are the yolk. I like yolk, but I'm gonna sit there and lick it off my plate. And I'm not about to dunk this in there because that's disgusting. I'm gonna go watch some TV and have the rest of this. So breakfast is done. On my way home from getting my nails done, I got lunch. So I'm gonna show you the lunch clips right here. I'm off to a nail appointment. I drank like half my tea on the way here. It's so good. I always forget how good black tea is. This is why I like these challenges, because I'm like, bread with butter, something so simple, and grain bread, like so simple. And it reminds me, this just reminds me of my granny. Just, yay. Okay, I just got my nails done, brought the flashcards. So what are we having for lunch? I have it locked. Ready? Okay, she usually has tinned tuna. I like how she says tinned. It's very British to me. Tinned tuna fish with white roll. That's very my dad. My dad loves that for, that's why my dad loves that so much for lunch. With a slice of wheaten bread or scrambled eggs and yogurt. Okay, so I don't have yogurt at home. I don't know what kind. Let's go grab some tuna fish, some white rolls. I know Austin doesn't like tuna fish, so he can have leftover baked spaghetti from last night. Scrambled eggs. I love scrambled eggs. Okay, perfect. Perfect. A white roll right here, freshly baked. Also can't beat that price. It's less than $1. Hey girl. Okay, I'm gonna grab some tuna fish. fish. Perfect to go with my roll. Okay, let's make a tuna sandwich. And I know exactly how she likes it because it's gonna be probably exactly what my dad likes. And then some vanilla yogurt. I didn't know what kind, but I thought vanilla was a good one and Activia is good. And then some scrambled eggs. So put some mayo in with this and some pepper. She has to now have like a little bit more of a blander meal or meals and diet. I don't want anyone hating on that. It reminds me of my childhood. Like this is like bringing me back. I feel like scrambled eggs and tuna fish on a roll. I'm like, ah! I feel like a kid. Salt and pepper, baby. I put some ricotta in there. I don't know. Anyways, I drained the juice out. I love tuna fish, by the way. And not a lot of people like tuna fish, but I do. I like the chunk. My favorite one is the chunk light tuna yellowfin in water. So she didn't specify, so I just got that one. I'm gonna add a scoop of mayo, salt and pepper, a lot of pepper, and the scrambled eggs are ready. I did 2 eggs. Oh, I'm glad I added ricotta. They look really like fluffy. Actually, I think I'm gonna put some Danos to flare it up a little. Just gonna lightly, that looks like a lot, butter the roll. My dad literally has this every Saturday morning, or he'll do it open-faced and put it in the oven. I don't like warmed tuna fish sandwiches or like open-faced. I don't know, it's not my vibe. This might not be appealing to a lot of people, but hello, yum. I love the chunk tuna. I don't know if she puts like any onion or anything on it. She didn't specify. I would put spinach or cheese or something on it, so I'm just gonna eat it just as that. Yummy. Oh, this lip gloss sucks for hair. So here it is, scrambled eggs. I added ricotta. Let's see if I screwed it up. Oh my god, just a little bit of spinach in there would be so good. Yogurt. Yum. I haven't had yogurt in so long. Black Earl Grey and the tuna fish sandwich. It's so big. I didn't realize how big of this roll was. Cheers to you, Granny. I love my Granny so much. I miss her. I want to go visit her again. You guys made it happen and it made it possible for me to go visit her. Watching my videos, supporting me, liking, sharing, commenting. I do make money on the internet. Your support to me so much literally makes my life happen. See my Granny in person instead of just communicating on the internet. I just have so much thankfulness to you guys, and I wanted to do a video like just dedicated to her. But anyway, if you know, you know. I like her style, Granny. Okay, so now we have snack. I'm excited, ready? Oh, she gave lots of options. Water, black tea, and sometimes milked coffee. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have more tea. And I've been drinking water also all day, so like we're the same person. I read her mind telepathically. We're living in a simulation. I already knew. I knew it before Food is very personal and it can bring back a lot of memories. Just picturing her, and it just made me like really comforted. I don't know, it just like made me emotional for a bit there. Am I getting my period soon or something? Like, bring me a tissue. Did she say what kind of tea? Black tea. Weird. Must be for her diet restrictions, but she used to do like, she used to call it mookie tea. My grandma and me always had this thing with mookie tea. Like, she likes her tea exactly how I like mine, and I got to have that with her. It was just really, really nice. Since I was like a little kid, like I just remember mookie tea. Like, it was just like literally a bunch of milk and then like a little bit of tea. And like the tea like soaked for like, or sorry, steeped. I said soaked. I don't want to offend anyone. Oh my god, the tea army coming after me. Them hitting me with mesh bags. Tea time! I love how much tea I'm having today. Snack time! Which is good because I had a big roll for lunch, so I'm so full. This will help, I hope, digest. Ooh. Cozying up. I'm gonna put a show on. Enjoy my cuppa. Oh, is she hot? Delicious. Okay, I just filmed a haul and now I'm going to be choosing the supper. And I'm also gonna do the dessert while we're at it here. Ready? Okay. Oh, salmon with mashed potatoes and beetroot slices, or baked fish and chips. I'm gonna do salmon with mashed potatoes and beetroot slices. Beetroot slices? That's like something I don't... Actually, when I went to my grandparents' house and visited them in Vancouver, she had beetroot slices served. They were like in vinegar though, they were like pickled. So I know exactly what she's talking about. So that is, oh my god, I would love to have salmon. I am so excited. Baked salmon with mashed potatoes and beetroot slices. Let's do it. Okay, and then for dessert, girl, I didn't even know we had a dessert. I'm so excited. Cake or fruit pie, or if it's a hot day, ice cream. It is not a hot day, so cake or fruit pie. Okay, which is good because salmon, that's a healthy meal, and then I can have like cake as a little dessert. I'm so excited. Salmon. I haven't had salmon for a while. It's been a minute, so I'm excited. Thank you, Granny. Austin's gonna go pick up my food for the last of the challenge. He's just gonna like FaceTime me when he's there because there's some things that I want to choose.
Get the cakes, okay?
Okay.
There.
Because I know she likes chocolate cake. So is there
They
any...
do have chocolate eruption.
Oh, I don't know. Does that look yummy to you?
That one does. There's also this one with strawberries. Triple chocolate tiger.
Okay, one of those. Get one of those. She likes those. She likes chocolate cake after supper. Make it supper. Make it supper. Got some potatoes to make mash. I already have gravy. The pickled sliced beets. A lemon for the salmon. I didn't get any fresh herbs this time. I'm just gonna use what we have. Cream, and then this is the cake. My granny always, ever since I was a kid, like always has like a little piece of chocolate cake. So this is something she would love with these little strawberries on. I can't wait to show her. I'm gonna start peeling and washing these potatoes and getting this in the oven. Scrub-a-dub-dub those potatoes. Okay, besties, I'm gonna put this salmon right here. What kind of salmon did you get? I didn't even look.
Atlantic salmon, fisher.
Nice. I don't have any fresh herbs and I forgot to grab, so I'm just gonna use some dried herbs, black pepper, salt, a drizzle of honey. And this might sound gross to people, but I'm just gonna put some olive oil on my hands. My hands are clean, I just washed them. And I kind of go over top, and then I'm gonna massage and pat, and they're all going in a clump. Love that. And then I'm gonna put some lemon slices on, and then a little squirt of lemon juice. And then I'll leave the rest of the lemon for after the salmon is cooked. I did a recipe on this on the cooking channel. Salmon's going in. Potatoes cut up. I think we're ready to put those in there. Whoop! We are using this pork gravy just because it was in the cupboard. May as well just use it. It's for pork, but whatever. We're gonna use it for the mashed potatoes. Ah! Okay, pickled beets. Oh my god. Help. Pickled beets. This. We could do like a Halloween recipe with pickled beets because they stain so easily. Yeah! He's gonna come in with the potatoes. I have to have a mountain.
You make me one too, please?
Yes. Okay, now the gravy we did a little thick, I'm not gonna lie. It's like this. We used cream instead of water. It's literally like a paste, but we love it. It matters how it tastes, girly. Mashed potatoes with creamy gravy, pickled sliced beets that I added some pepper on because that's what my granny recommended to me when I was over at her house. And then some baked salmon. This is Austin's. I think it's funny because he's gonna just try the one beet because he doesn't like beets. Oh my god, they're so flavorful. Why are they so good? They look like a dog threw up on them, but they're like the most flavorful mashed potatoes I've ever had.
Mmm, that's really good.
Wow.
That goes so well together.
And the salmon, oops. What a good combination. Honestly, you don't know till you try. Like, just try, because I've always said I hated beets, and then my granny had him, and I was like, I'm not gonna like say no. I tried it, I was like, yum. And maybe it's because it's pickled. That's what we're gonna enjoy, and we're gonna watch a horror movie. I'll come back when we try the cake.
Triple chocolate?
Oh, made by the grocery store, so nothing special. Look at this cake. Well, cheers. Yum. It's very her. And I'm having some tea again, even though she didn't say. This time I'm having Mookie tea just because it reminds me of her. We're just gonna watch a movie and eat our cake. That's it. So bye. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love my granny. She is so sweet. What was your favorite thing? I'm choking. All that tea, girl. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye.